Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, it's a sad day. I'm not going to be riding with Kleb anymore. See, Kleb's leaving us. He's going back to Rhode Island. He's going to go be an adult for a little while. And right now, I'm on my way to Kleb's house. You get to see where he lives. River Oaks. The Klebby lives in River Oaks. For all you stalkers.
At this time, I want to give a lot of love to today's video sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. I don't play many games, but there are a few that I do play, and Raid Shadow Legends is one of them, so I was excited when they reached out to me to sponsor today's video. If you aren't familiar with Raid Shadow Legends, they have millions of players and dozens of tough bosses, but its heart and soul are its jaw-droppingly gorgeous champions. And guess what? They've introduced an entirely new playable faction. Get ready to meet Shadowkin. Use my QR code or links below to download Raid yourself to mobile phone or PC. As you can see, the Shadowkin are heavily inspired by the mythos of medieval Japan, along with a load more Eastern Asian influences. They've got nimble ninjas, sharp samurai, omnious samurai, and a whole host of mythical badasses. These guys are shrouded in mystery. No one's heard from them for hundreds of years. Up until a few months ago when they revealed themselves as allied with the dwarves in the Nyresian Union. Are they good? Are they bad? Why have they returned? And why now? They've only just arrived, so get ready to meet the new members as they arrive in the game. Raid Shadow Legends is a bunch of new champions. Choose your warriors, go to battle. One of my favorite features of the game is the little auto button. Want to sit back, watch your champions do what they do best? Just hit this little button right here. Let them go to work. Raid's just hit their 2-year anniversary with a load of anniversary events and tournaments going on right now. If you move quickly, you might still be able to catch some of these special events and get your hands on some free gifts and rewards. The schedule is absolutely jam-packed until the middle of April, with insane anniversary events and tournaments with anniversary-sized prizes to win. You might also like to get involved with the very first ever clan vs. clan tournament and get a chance to compete directly against another clan. On top of that, they've got some huge updates coming later in the month, including a new Doom Tower rotation with 2 tough new bosses. Raid's huge already, and their whole anniversary event makes it an awesome time to join the biggest gaming communities out there. Don't wait around. So if you want to get a huge head start in Raid, all you have to do is hit the link in the description or scan the QR code right here. And if you're a new player, you'll get your free champion, Jotun. It was amazing for the Doom Tower. Get 100k silver, 50 gems, and 3 ancient shards, so you can summon awesome champions as soon as you get in the game. You'll find your extra rewards here in your inbox for the next 30 days only. And if you can find me in-game under the name SubD, and if you're quick enough, you can even join my clan. It's that easy. Just click the link in the description of the video, and I'll see you in the game. Later.
And there's the shit box. And there's the shithead. You still got a lot to do. I've seen some of this stuff in his videos, I'm sure.
My bike's not gonna start.
You need the luck of the pink unicorn. Hey, you got a Miata. You said this one's faster than Derek's? Should race. Whoa.
Where are we going for the last ride, dude? This better be good.
I kind of left that up to you. I figured this is your last meal together with your boy. My treat. Where would you like to go?
I'm only good at multiple choice, dude.
Then let's hit multiple spots.
No, like a multiple choice question, like A, B, C, or D.
Let's see. Pepino's is closed. That was our spot. Claim Jumper's open.
That's where it all began.
That's where it all began. We got In-N-Out. We got Philly's Best. We can go get a California burrito. Lots of bushes on the way to any of those places.
I don't know what to do. Yeah, dude, Claim Jumper.
You want to go Claim Jumper? Yeah. I figure let's go say a farewell to Babalo, get a quick soda. We'll head to Claim Jumper. Part ways forever. What are you doing? Does he gotta go to the bathroom? Come on.
Wow.
I'll make a wish.
That's pretty rare of you to.
I wish that Bob's got good stuff today.
Alright, Bob, I don't know how to break this, dude, so I'm just gonna be honest. I gotta go to the gas station and get some milk. I promise I'll be right back.
Hi, Bob.
My dad told me before he left.
There is stuff.
The police.
Seal Beach Junior Police Badge.
He's a junior.
Did a training ride, and we had to stop by and say hi. Do you think they actually showed up in a cop car?
Yeah, you think they had a crazy story? Usually when people go on those training missions, they're like, I get caught up in like a shooting.
Check under the cock. The other cock.
Damn. You got nothing, dude? Bobby?
Dude, they don't have my Scarlet Soda anymore.
Like getting that boring shit.
Man, that stuff is so good. You know what's really good? Have you ever had cucumber soda?
Yeah, I've had cucumber water.
What do you think this is?
Kind of like a coconut ginger ale sea salt blend. It'll be really good.
Is it good?
that? Pineapple mint leaf soda? Like,
I like it. It's good.
really? It's good. No, it's not. Rico General Store, what'd you think? I think they need more gas.
Portuguese soda? I loved it, man. Loved it a lot. Pineapple coconut mint. I liked it, man. They have it again when I come back. Oh, shit. I can't go up there on this bike. I can't even get up there on the GS6R. I know this thing would never make it up there.
Dude, it's scary now.
It's not going to be any different than it was.
I can't believe we used to do it. I wouldn't do it on this bike because I don't want to crack something.
You have done it on that, haven't you?
Yeah, I crashed. Fuck, I really want to do it, but I'm not going to. It's not worth. I know I'm just going to be stuck halfway up, fucking hyperventilating. If I rode a dual sport, I would fucking hop up there every time.
Johnny did it.
He did?
He took his dual sport up there.
I really want to.
He made it. He didn't even wreck. He didn't even stop.
One day I'll have a dual sport and I'll do it every time.
You made it up there one time so flawlessly on that SSR.
I know. And then the next time I tried it again and I cracked the bike open like a
There's a cop behind me. I hate that. I get so nervous when there's a cop behind me, even when I'm doing nothing wrong. Your shoes untied. He's gonna trip, fall, and hurt himself. All right, guys, quick poll: In-N-Out versus Whataburger. Who's on top? I say In-N-Out. Let me know. Comment section below. In-N-Out or Whataburger? I bet a lot of you guys haven't had the opportunity to have them both. In-N-Outs are mostly in California, and Whataburgers are everywhere but California, it seems like. I've had them both. I love them, man. I love both of them so much. They're completely different. But if I had to make my choice, the In-N-Out. Get it mustard fried. Look at this guy. What are you doing? Oh, gross.
I'm an animal lover, I promise.
What was it?
Well, I thought all the cars are probably disgusting.
You know how many dogs have pissed there? It's a lot of dogs. You gonna get some hot sauce?
That's it.
Let's get some hot sauce.
I'm talking about me. Oh.
What do we do? Why wouldn't this one be open? Quarter a couple packets of hot sauce?
Just hot sauce?
Yeah.
Okay.
How do we?
I'm just gonna tell him to bring it out.
Hey, all right, thanks.
Were you guys gonna order or just get the sauce?
Just wanted some sauce.
I forgot my headset. That's why I called it. If you like, you can wait or you can go through the drive.
Okay, thanks. It became not worth it. Awesome.
Can I ride your bike across the street?
Yeah. The Cathinator. Oh, love it when we get the front row spot. Claim jumper. I'm getting a steak. I don't give a shit. 6 feet.
You like the high top?
Let's do it.
Thanks.
Are you ready to order?
All right, Kleb, claim jumper. You got the burger. I got the steak. It's everything that I'd ever expected. It was good.
Could have used some fire sauce, but you know, that's alright.
Oh, yeah. We didn't get fire sauce. Oh, well.
I'm going to disappear for a few months and then I'll be back, and then you'll be like, oh, you came back, because you always think I'm never coming back.
Just don't do a weird surprise thing again. Just show up. I don't like that. Just show up at Cabo or something. All right. Well, drive safe. Have fun. You'll be missed.
You gotta get some horse semen and sell it.
That doesn't sound fun.
What?
Wait, what did you just say? You said that horse comes worth $600,000 a gallon?
No, $6 million a gallon.
For horse cum.
Yeah, we gotta look it up when we get outside.
I know where some horse farms are.
Dude, I was saying, like,
Let's just go on a jerk
it'd
fest.
be worth it, right? Like, why wouldn't it be worth it?
We'll just grab a bucket and we'll go jerk off horses all day.
I don't know.
Be millionaires. Is that something we can get Mandy Bum to do?